to shape our future and landed up in the fresh and raw atmosphere of this lovely institute, which will take you back years and remind you of your days as Rankos, Farhans and Maddies. Few months back, sitting in the cinema, मैसेज हो रही थी. Exactly the same chords strung in resonating music when I visited the campus yesterday after so many years. In flash second, the life took a beautiful turn and found myself as a timid knave and a sheepish boy trembling in front of the seniors. By the way, if you recall, ours was the last batch which could get officially and legally ragged as the legislator prohibiting ragging came in force from 1982. You know, the buildings, the roads, the trees and the lovely ambience are the most important part of the life of each one of us. That is the college campus, still filled while walking through the corridors and looking at the fresh, beautiful faces, the faces of tomorrow. It reminded me of the great agony of the mechanical branch. Poor boys, जो लड़कियों की चेहरे देखने के लिए कभी इलेक्ट्रिकल और कभी आर्किटेक्चर डिपार्टमेंट के आसपास भटकते रहते थे. पूछने तो आउटसोर्स कर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ अस रिमेन्ड लाइक द बग जो कस्तूरी को ढूंढता फिरता रहता था, बेचारा आवारा. To cut the story short, when we see the good times of our youngsters, दिल से हल्की सी एक आह निकलती है that शायद we were too early to be born. For majority of us, the strike of every year, thanks to Jitendra is there? Okay. Thanks to every year to commence the term and the shattering of the glasses of Saroj Theatre had become an annual ritual. I am sure the people amongst us who now serve as IPS and IS must be better positioned to handle such situations with all the first-hand experience they gained at the college. Zeal to excel never ended, and be it sports or cultural activities, attempts were always there to be the first. I remember the practice which the man of that golden period, Razdan, and the dramatic secretary did. It reminds us of sharing everything from thoughts to fun to cigarette butts. But many of us may not have realized, but the teamwork and the team building ability in all of us started or rather got kindled in those formidable years of our life. If longing for home cooked food was a crave for the hosteliers, few days scholars also enjoyed the feast of Sunday at times. The other field of interest for us used to be the politics and college elections. Some preferred to be in front and some the kingmakers. But those elections and the intense political strategic conversations were so engrossing as it could be for any politician of the country. However, the most funny part used to be that how to get the votes of the girls residing in the hostel. Now let's pay our sincere heartfelt thanks to our friends who had pushed in sustained efforts for almost a year to organize such event. Let us all hope and join hands to give a big round of applause to the organizing committee. Thank you.
इस माहौल में क्यों कामले he is very crucial in creating our website. We are a class of 85 and I think it is going to be a long way in our journey from here.
Email messages I will probably will share it with all of you in the second half. I think now all of you will have to become magicians. 25 साल का सफर जो हमने काटा है अभी तक, उसके बारे में आपको 1 से 1.5 मिनट में बोलना है स्टेज पे यार. So start coining your words and थोड़े कंजूस बनिए. तो शुरुआत हम लोग करेंगे आर्किटेक्चरल डिपार्टमेंट से. खूबसूरती के साथ शुरुआत होनी चाहिए भाई. शुक्रिया. तो I would request Vinayak Adane and Vinu, please come on the stage in helping us to conduct this part of the program.
He's my friend Vinayak. Even in earlier days, we architects used to place ourselves ahead of all you engineers. We thought we were different. We are different, but now we are all VRCians. Introduction again. with architecture first. So I'll call upon Rajshri Mins to come upon the stage. Rajshri, please come.
सबने बोला 25 साल का सफर कैसे कट, हर पल हर ऊंची और हर नीची सफर में तुम लोग साथ थे, कभी छूटे ही नहीं तुम लोग, यही तुम लोगों की खराबी है। और ये रोनाल्ड है, इसके साथ भी मेरा सफर चल रहा है। मेरा एक बेटा है, एक बहू है और एक ग्रैंड डॉटर है, जिनको मैं ला नहीं सकी।
एक चीज मेरे ध्यान में आई है कि 81 के बैच में बहुत सारे लोगों से शायद वो 5 सालों में या 4 सालों में पहचान गए, कुछ 25 साल बन गया और अब जाके एक नया मोड़ जिंदगी ने लाया है। मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे नए दोस्त जुड़ गए हैं और आई सिंसियरली थैंक एंड सिंसियरली प्रे to the Almighty that He has granted us this beautiful 25 years after the graduation, and hope that we have another lease of 25 years in order to enjoy this. Thanks a lot. So may I take this opportunity to invite Mr. Parag Date. Parag has been a very active person. Huh?
I am Parag Date. After
I am Dr. Kalpana Date.
We are diabetic. We have 2 daughters, that means. Our elder daughter is doing BTech at LIT and smaller one is 8th standard in schools. After graduation, I did my post-graduation from SPN New Delhi, and since then I am practicing in Nagpur. I have a firm called Renaissance Planners Engineers Private Limited, where I am a director of the firm. Thank you.
Let me introduce myself too, because he has forgotten. I am Dr. Kalpana Date. I am working as associate professor in NKP Salve Medical College, and as everybody has told, we are very close friends with Raja Meghrajani, and the success of this silver jubilee of these engineers is probably the foundation of our silver jubilee. You know, we celebrated our silver jubilee 2 years back, and Raja was active there also. So he was trained there, you know. Thank you very much.
In this batch, I was married in the final year when I was studying in college itself. My wife, my son is here shooting the photograph. He is again in architecture, doing his 4th year of architecture in Surat. After I passed out, I did planning and then joined Surat Municipal Corporation. I am now Deputy Commissioner in Surat Municipal Corporation. A lot of things done by Surat. I invite you all to visit Surat and look at our work. Thank you.
I am housewife.
The Jeevan Patel you heard. May I take opportunity to call Bharat. Mr. Bharat Patel, please.
में जब हमने हॉस्टल ज्वाइन किया तो सबसे शुरुआत में हम ही लोग, मैं ही आया था। एक सतीश राठी करके बीमार था, दूसरा एक सैनी था और एक नंदा था। तो हम लोग शुरू में हमारी रैगिंग ही होती रहती थी। चित्ताबड़ी में तो सरदार की वजह से हम पकड़े जाते थे, उधर भी रैगिंग। जब दूसरे लोग आए तो हमारी तो इतनी रैगिंग हो चुकी थी कि वो लोग बोलते इनके क्या रैगिंग करना। इवन हम लोग तो रेकॉर्ड भी किया था, पूरे कपड़े भी हम लोग ने मेरे तो निकाले चुके हैं। 3 इडियट्स में तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। उसके बाद से मैं तो एग्जाम्प्टेड हो गया फ्रॉम रैगिंग। लेकिन लाइफ में भी बहुत काम आया, बहुत बाद में भी ऐसे टॉर्चर्स आए, लेकिन वो टफनेस से हुए। 12th में जब निकले थे तब इतने टफ नहीं थे, सब मेंटली टफ नहीं थे इतने। तुरंत रो पड़ते थे। आफ्टरवर्ड्स रैगिंग